Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once you've created your account, learning how to use Cash App is very simple and user-friendly. Whether you want to send money to a friend, receive payments or manage your balance, everything can be done in just a few taps on your phone. After opening Cash App, you'll land on the home screen. In the center, you'll see a number pad where you can enter the amount of money you want to send or request. To send money, simply type the amount, tap Pay, and then enter the recipient's hashtag phone number or email address. Confirm the details carefully before hitting the final confirmation button. The money is usually transferred instantly, making it perfect for splitting bills, paying friends, or handling quick transactions. If you want to request money instead, enter the amount on the keypad and tap Request. Add the person's hashtag or contact details and send the request. They will receive a notification and can approve the payment directly from their app. Managing your balance is just as easy. Your available balance appears on the main screen. If you need to add money, tap on your balance and choose Add Cash. Select the amount and confirm. To transfer money back to your bank account, tap Cash Out. Choose either the standard deposit option, which may take 1 to 3 business days, or the instant deposit option, which transfers funds immediately for a small fee. Cash App also provides additional features beyond simple transfers. You can activate a Cash App card, which works like a debit card and can be used for everyday purchases. There are also options for direct deposit, and in some regions, investing features for stocks or Bitcoin. However, before using advanced features, make sure your identity is fully verified within the app. For security, always enable notifications and consider turning on security lock settings such as PIN or fingerprint protection. Never share your verification codes or login details with anyone to keep your account safe. Using Cash App is designed to be quick, convenient, and secure. With just a few taps, you can send, receive, and manage your money anytime, anywhere. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and practical tech tutorials. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.